You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Hello and welcome to our midday market commentary for Thursday, June 11th, 2026. We're currently seeing a notable rebound in the markets this afternoon. The SPY ETF, tracking the S&P 500, is up 0.61%, while the QQQ ETF, tracking the Nasdaq 100, has gained 1.39%. The DIA ETF, which tracks the Dow Jones Industrial Average, is also solidly in the green, rising 0.70%. This follows a somewhat volatile start to the day, where an early bounce from yesterday's sell-off appeared to fade. Overnight, Asian markets were mixed, with Japan's EWJ gaining 0.66%, though China's FX1 was down 1.22%. U.S. futures pointed to a higher open, and despite some earlier givebacks, tech stocks are now helping to drive this midday rally. Key drivers include earnings and AI capital spending, but persistent inflation, a hawkish Federal Reserve stance, and ongoing geopolitical tensions with the U.S. and Iran continue to be significant factors. In individual stock news, Oracle is a major story today, currently down 10.5%. Despite reporting strong fourth-quarter earnings and a 21% revenue increase, investors were rattled by the company's plans for $40 billion in new debt and equity to fund its ambitious AI data center buildouts. This raised concerns about capital expenditure and leverage risk. Similarly, Supermicro Computer saw a significant drop, down 28%, due to dilution fears after announcing $7 billion in equity financing to fund its explosive AI server orders. On the upside, Satellogic soared 12.8%, boosted by multi-million-dollar defense contracts, strong year-over-year revenue growth, and positive operating cash flow. Intel gained 9.8%, following analyst upgrades, new AI innovations, and strong first-quarter earnings. Applied Optoelectronics also rose 7.5%, benefiting from AI networking and trading software exposure. Kingboard Laminates in Hong Kong was up 9.8% in its last session. Among the megacaps, Microsoft was down 3.2%, Alphabet fell 2.65%, and Meta declined 2.0%, all grappling with investor concerns over aggressive AI spending. Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia, however, remained relatively quiet. Looking ahead, market watchers are closely monitoring inflation data, Federal Reserve commentary, and the evolving geopolitical situation, particularly between the U.S. and Iran, as these factors could dictate policy and sector risk going forward. The market's focus remains on AI and infrastructure capital spending as main engines, but the scrutiny on the cost of these investments is clearly increasing, as evidenced by Oracle's reaction. Today's positive market direction in the U.S. may provide a more constructive tone for Asian markets as they prepare to open later this evening. That's your midday market check from Seven Horns AI. Stay sharp and we'll catch you at the close.